Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, on today's video, I'm going to review the Germanium compressor by Softube. Actually, the real unit is by Chandler. So if you want to use it as the same, I'm going to explain later in this video, you need two. And we're talking about around 2000k use market because the real unit is only mono. So just in case, it's very, very expensive. But thanks to Softube, we have this plugin version, so that's I'm going to review today. Okay, so let's jump to Pro Tools and you will see. Alright, so this is the plugin itself. Like I said, this is by Chandler Limited, the original version, the analog version, made by Softube, and yeah, and pretty much you have almost the same settings as a regular compressor. The thing here is you have this comb curve. And what is the comb curve? It's like actually this is in the real unit too, okay? You have different types of diode or transistors. I don't remember if the diode is same as the transistor or it's a different kind of transistors, but you know what? Don't worry about it because that's for if you are very nerd or if you're very, very dork about it, don't worry about that, okay? See this as like, for example, your colors. The center, you see the hard is because the knee is very hard, okay? And the knee is very soft, okay? And also, the center have more color than the R or the germanium soft, okay? And this is something in between germanium silicon, okay? And also you have your mix, if you want every wet or dry, or which is nothing, or you want like a blended, okay? Attack and release, regular compressor settings, and also you have the germanium drive. This is the drive. So you have the input, so okay, and also you have the drive. This is the input of the let's see, of this color itself, okay? And feedback is the tone. Pretty much like a guitar amplifier, something like it. So view in this way and then you will understand why, okay? And what else? You have the output and also you have a mid-side or regular, stereo. You have your external sidechain and the sidechain, of course, And pretty cool about this, it is resizable GUI. I guess I said it right. Okay. And yeah, and that's it. And let's see. Oh, something I totally forgot to tell you. I remember this is like I read in one of the interviews about this compressor, The Chandler Limited guy, he said they made this one specific for drums, but engineers later they realized that they can use it, of course, for drums and also for mastering and also on the master bus in the mix, process. And of course, you can use it for kick, snare, bass, and vocals, But on today's video, let's focus on drums. Based in the master bus, okay? No mastering, just on the master bus, all right? And the band today is Benderheads. This is a band I recorded like two, 3 years ago. It's punk, okay? It's real drums. This is not MIDI drums, so everything is real, okay? So let's see how it sounds, for example, on the room mics, okay? Let me bypass this and let's check it out, all right? Okay, this is only the room mics. Let me add more room. There it is. This is factory full. So as you see, it's starting to compress a lot right now. And let's compensate that. Let's see, fast attack, fast release. Want something there. Side chain, 90 Hz, radio 4. Yeah. Let's add the tone, okay? The drive. Ooh. Okay. That's it. Do you feel the tone? change completely to this. And of course it needs hard, so you need more of the output. And check it out, this. So let's use some less in this, less input. And now let's check it out the figure, okay? So just in case the feedback and the drive are working together, okay? So these are the tones pretty much. Let's check another one. New. Not bad, right? That's bypass. Now check out the other one. Let's do the medium. Let's wait until the drums come back. Let's see. Okay, even more. There it is. Yeah, sounds really cool with a lot of character. That's the main thing about this compressor. Add character, add like a unique kind of tone, which is pretty cool. So always checking your levels, always checking your outputs level. Be more conservative in the feedback. Now let's do the hardest, which is not. Let's do now the silicon hard, okay? Not bad for real. Alright, so that was on the room mics. Now let's keep it as is right now and let's do the same. Let's see how it's on the drum bass. Okay? This is my drum bass and let's see. Wow. Fast release, 6 now, all of, yeah, I want to listen the tone of this, okay? Ooh, that's super cool. Okay. This is 5 rate, yeah. Now I will not change this and let's see how it sounds in the different diodes, okay? That's an R, Germanium, medium, silicon, R silicon, R7. Let's compensate that. What a difference. That's all the way down on the input of the Germanium drive. And clip keep it here. Let me go back. No, too much. Place here. Wow, sounds super cool. Now I'll do something in between, okay? The germanium, yes. Let's see in the mix. Sounds cool now, yeah. Sounds with more character, with more notes. Well, nice. Now, hey guys, yeah, as you see, I'm editing the video right now, and I totally forgot to mention this. I have a new mailing list, okay? The only thing is your name, your last name, and your email, and that's it. And why are you doing this? Because in the future, I will make only discounts for the people I'm joining there, okay? For recording and mixing. And well, if you want to record, you have to come here to my studio. That's gonna be a little difficult, but for mixing, yeah, just send me the tracks and then I will have it. But on top of that, I have a pretty cool gift for you guys. It's my own personal 10% off in old baby audio plugins. Okay, so go there, join it, and that's it. And yeah, the link is on the description box, and also I'm going to share here something, probably a QR, thing, if I found it. If not, well, go to the description box. Okay, so continue with the video. All right, now let's see this on the bass. I will keep the settings for the room and also for the drum bass as is. Okay, as like the last time I'm dialing it, and let's see how it's on the bass. As always, like by factory default, you started compressing a lot. Yeah, check this out, right here. That with nothing, we are around the 6 decibels. I mean, -6. And now we are in the bottom. This is crazy. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, let's compress it just a little bit. I wanna use the silicone hair for this guy. Yeah, mid attack, kind of fast release. Ooh. Just wait for the next song coming. That we out. Wait. So without you can feel the bass too. But especially add more like harmonics in the high frequencies and also in the mid frequencies too, which is pretty well. I love this. I really like this compressor. Now let's see without these guys how it sounds, okay? Sorry. What a difference. Only a room, drum and bass, that's it. Of course, I exaggerate a little bit, you know, because in that way you can notice what is the compressor doing, okay? Sounds great. Yeah. Awesome. So before continue, you know what? You don't need, for example, this kind of plugin or the real unit to make a records, okay? So this is an advice if you're working right now, starting, or you're thinking to working for real clients, okay? You need to focus to make the record. That's it. Eventually, with more experience, you can get these kind of things, okay? But you don't need it. And please don't focus, oh my God, I need this diode compressor to sound super sick. No, only nerds and dorks thinking that way. The only thing your client wants is results. Make results first on the recording, okay? Record the best you can, and then mixing the best you can. This is coming later. This is only to see how this adds, but this doesn't make your mixer on your record sounds good, just in case, okay? And remember, and then I'm going to repeat this, only nerds and dorks who are fighting, for example, in forums and also in gear slots, those guys never do anything, okay? So you don't need this. It's cool to have it, but you don't need it. And also don't focus on, oh my God, I need this kind of transistor. No. Okay? All right, let's see how it sounds on the master bus. Wow. Okay, let's do a little bit of compression because this is a master bus. I don't need too much compression for this. Let's do the most soft, the most soft. 90 here. Yeah, something like that. Wet. Wow. Wet. There it is. I clipping, I know, I clipping. Wow, what a difference. Just a little more. Well, of course, you know, you need to leave those levels. Got to do this here. So even the first one, which is the hard soft, add another character. Jesus Christ. Now let's add the tape. Let's drive. Yeah, that was cool. Check the feedback there. The tone is so great here. the low end. This is crazy. Okay, if you think it's too much low end, let's try and add more the output. Now the low end sounds more natural or better because but yeah, what a great compressor. Alright, so and that's all for today. I hope you really like it and enjoy this video and also this compressor. And you know what? Just waiting until Softube have like a pretty cool sale, because this one regularly is like over $200. That's I remember, and I remember these guys of Softube put this compressor in sale. I get it for $150, and you know what happened? Next week they make another even sale, and then they sell it for $50. So if you want this for real, just waiting and to get a pretty cool deal, because the plugin itself is kind of pricey too. Okay. And yeah, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share this, to comment what you think about this, and yeah, and that's it. Bye guys, see ya.